Hello guys, this video is about I'm gonna change my disc pads, and I can see that the oil is completely less, so I want to fulfill my dot 3 oil, dot 3 or dot 4 for disc brake, and I want to change disc calipers. So here's the disc pad or disc caliper, and I'm using TVS grilling dot 3. So my old disc calipers are completely gone wrong. Frequently I'm getting skid, and recently I met with an accident. I mean, my bike got skidded and I got some wounds. So that was not original Royal Enfield one, the present one which you are seeing. So that was some Pulsar one. So right now I'm using genuine one. So I'm going to mechanic place. And I can see that oil is completely nil. So I want to I say him to add oil too. See, these are the spares disc calipers and dot 3 oil. Actually I took it for my car, so right now I'm using it for my bike. So it was just fallen useless in my home, so I'm using it for my bike. Already I have used it small pack previously, so presently I'm gonna use this one. It takes some 50 or 100 ml, that's it. I'm going to start to mechanic place. So I'm going to start to mechanic place. So I'm done with the work. So the new disc calipers are of red color. He charged me 50 rupees for installation.